Here it comes. Okay, that time she pushed. We saw 2 hoofs and I saw a tongue. So it's getting further. Here she comes. She's gonna push again. We see a nose. Is he gonna come out this time?
Rough right now for her. I wish she would just hurry up and push it out. It makes me nervous. This is like nervous. I get nervous.
Why are you nervous?
Well, I've only been to births where I was actually doing the work. And I don't really remember the timelines, and I don't know how it lines up with cows.
She's laying down now. She just laid down. But she can have them laying down. It's coming. Is it coming this time back? Oh, it's getting its eyeball out. Oh, she's gonna, oh yeah. That's right now. Stephanie. See the light? Becky feels like, is it alive? But it's alive. It's moving. You want to clear its nostrils, don't you? Look at its belly going up and down.
I'm so happy. I knew it. I knew it. I was like,
How do you know now? Wait a minute, you're going off what the kids are saying.
I'm pretty sure there was no balls. Kids, don't get near Papa. Mama, come see.
You're looking for balls, not teats. They all have teeth.
Huge teeth. They're huge.
Yeah, but they all have teeth.
But we're looking for balls. There's no balls.
It doesn't matter. They all have 4.
But there's no balls.
Okay, no balls. That's a sign. That's the sign I'm needing. So glad you came with your camera because I was shooing Flossie away. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh. Here we go. Oh, started people. Oh, Becky's touching her.
Wants to nurse so bad, look.
Mom wants to stand it up.
It's nursing
I don't know. It somehow knows to do that, guys.
Watch how cool that is. It is so precious, this little thing. Oh my word. Isn't that so cool, Papa? It doesn't hurt. Got 45 minutes left.
45-ish minutes.
I know, but I just want it to